Welcome to the Painful Budgeter. I am Payne. Today we are doing a little happy planner. I got the last day of October to do, and then I'm going to do some November as well, but those will be on the next day. This last week one will be, this is the one where I did a little doodling on it and stuff. I need to work on my doodling, but it was fun. Oh wait. 27. I'm like, wait, where's the 30th? I'm missing a day. It is over here. There we go. 31. Then I got some fall. So maybe I'll do a mix of fall and Halloween, or I'll just do everything Halloween. Probably just everything Halloween. And I got some of my leftover stickers from this previous ones. I might try to use some of them. I went and printed up some nice little thingies, and then I realized after I printed them up, because when you do them on the computer, they look smaller than they are, and I didn't pay attention to how big they were, so I don't think I'll be able to use all these, but I might be able to use some of them. Just kind of put them over the top of it. Maybe like right here, maybe put the big Halloween over the whole top right here, or maybe just do a thingy. Also have some of these. I might just cut them out singly, and then just cut them to half instead, something like that. And I got some kitties and stuff. So, you can do this type of stuff on canvas, and just make sure that you make your people smaller. Pay attention to how big your square's in and how much you want to use them. These ones are a little better. This is about the size you really want. Oh, I like the little other ones. But they're also a pain to cut. So since this thing's white, I could probably just kind of do a square and then I can just write over them. I wanted to do this one. I might do this one black and white, and then just save some of my other stuff. And maybe do that as over here as a big one. It can fill up both 28th. I think next Monday I have, or the Monday of here. I'm not sure what we'd be doing anything, but it'll be big enough that I can kind of have no. I can always like draw a line down the center, I guess. If I want to, just, kind of copy that type of thing and just do some moons, stars, or something like that. Then and I got some horror books and stuff, and these ones aren't bad sizes. I can kind of put them in between as well, and put some of the stickers on it as well, and it's not too bad, I think. Oh, I do need some glue, because those are not stickers. Those are just, what I have, cheapy. But yeah, those are off of Canva. And so I just figured I'd play around with it, and that way if you want to do this type of stuff and you don't really have any stickers, but you have a printer, you can do your own stuff up. You can do it all in black and white. You can do it in different colors. You can have a cutesy, or you can design something yourself. And you can, if you're a really good artist, you can kind of draw me. Maybe next year I'll have better art. Mine are just kind of kitty type of things. But yeah, and then I'll also fast forward through all of this, so you can just kind of watch it and fast forward, and it won't be like an hour and a half, because I'm going to have to cut a lot of this stuff out. So let's do that. That way when I get to it, I can just cut, fast forward. All right, let's get going. I might even do some stamps, might make it a little easier as well. So I'll do a mix of everything. Stamp stickers, and let's at least get a couple of these on here. I want this one mostly black and white. Do I have anything that would be nice colors? I kind of like that one, but I want more just kind of black and white, maybe with a little bit of color, but not much. Okay, oops, don't do that. And I had some other thingies. Let's get some cutting done. I do want some of these. I don't care too much about being perfect with these scissors. Get some of that. He's cute. don't know if I'm using it, but I'll cut it out because I might. I'll just do a couple of these. I might use these in some other project down the road. If not, I'll just put them in a bag and use them something down the road. I do like that owl. I might do him like right in the center or down on the bottom. I thought I had some more of these. Well, I do have, also got some of these pumpkins. I have a really ugly looking pumpkin. I might just hold on to that and use that for my niece's birthday. And let's fast forward, and if I have anything important, I will say it. But I don't really think I have too much news. I have started my training for bus driving and everything, and it's been doing pretty good. And actually, hopefully this is still running. Okay, that is running. Yeah, I've been doing a lot of the practicing of air brakes and all that stuff to get you to pass the final test and everything. And yeah, when you drive semi for like 23 years, you don't really do it like you would normally do it as a test type of thing. And yeah, I need some more practice. It was really sad. It was really, really sad. It was really, really sad. Haven't mentioned that it was really sad because it was really sad. I could probably use some of these and write on them as well. I can probably just do that. Okay, no. Actually, this is very similar to the stamp. I might just use the stamp or the trick or treat and do the trick or treat stamp over one of these. Probably on these ones because this is the first, second, and third. Oh, I don't think they have repeat in the other part of the thing, but yeah. I don't think I have anything planned. But who knows? Who knows? Okay, let's see. This one's a little bit too big. I might just cut one of these. Oh. Can you see something? I cut one of these. I do like that fool, and I like that bottle. These bottle. I like the tarot with the fool. Well, one because my channel's called the fool, but every time I have a tarot reading, it's always the fool. Within the first 3 picks, it always shows up. Even when I pull myself, it's always the fool that shows up. But and hangman, the fool and hangman. Those are the two ones that always. If it's not the fool that shows up, it's the hangman. Maybe you have your tarot reading, and you have certain ones that evidence show a lot. I haven't had tarot reading in ages, actually. It's been about 10 years. I'm not really good. We're psychic reading or anything, like that. You can see that things going on. Like, I need something on TikTok. So this might be how one just like random questions. Stuff I see one. Okay, sometimes you do one, sometimes you just you can tell. All right, let's get started. I'm gonna have this on my head. This on TikTok and YouTube. Short all the time. They have all the different. They got other watching those things. Ones that do all different tutorials. Have different songs, different things. It's awesome. Where is it? Oh my! Where's my cards? I need a card. There's cards here. I got cards. What's so heavy? I just mark the cards. I just realized that. I might want to do this again. This one's not even scratched. Let's see if there's anything on them. Let's see if it's some juice. Something scary. Stretch, 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 and it's I like how things. Mochi. Oh, my kitchen is like hot. I'm getting some bread. It's rising up. Oh, yeah, that's why I chicken anyways. I like this chicken. Yeah, there we go. Something. Let's see what I do. No. Yeah, so oh, that's not bad. Yeah. Okay. 29. Dot. And just wait after. You clear. That's what I want to do. Recording. Make sure my phone is recording. Oh, the phone's recording. I just need to do it. maybe do some stamps. Trick or treat. We have to do trick or treat right anything. And anything else over here that's kind of cool. I do kind of like that. Maybe a little hard to get. Yeah. I'm gonna cut the tail off, and I'll just draw it back on. And I'll do a heart, heart, and heart. Or do a heart, like that. Or do it. And we'll do some stamps. That big. And there goes. There goes. There goes. There goes. Okay, so this stuff. Leave it down. I put so much on, but then I was like, no, we're on it. So I was like, what did I put on there that will seal this trick the right way? And then I'm going to do that front or back. I'll just place that down. And this is really how you might look. So if you don't get them all cut precisely, it kind of blends in. You know, back with a lean thing, I guess. It's a little bit of just a little bit of. Maybe like a stamp. I think. Yeah, I'll do this one. And a stamp. And then when you're pouring book, you kind of find different ways to do it. You don't have the money for the stickers. Make your own, you do all that stuff. Put that there. And you go. And do it sideways. Wait, get a little thingy. Might need a little pumpkin or ghost. How do you skeletons? Or do you go again? I think it's not what I gotta do. I think we'll do that. Yes, so this. Might draw it just again. I'm trying to get that shot. I'm going to drink. Or I think I might just outline it. This one. And do some. I'm going to do some blue. Why would you pink, but I think that's a delicious color. You're trying to do pink. Let's do pink. Let's see how this turns out. Yeah. Maybe a little bit of pink on each. I don't have all these. Those are primary. I'll have my colors. So I can always surprise in my outline. So let's see if we have anything. Let's do a little pumpkin. And we'll do some. I'll just do black. Always drawing in. Let's do a little bit next 31st. This is like one of those pop-up ones, but I can't quite use the pop-up. I could use the full sticker, but I don't use it, so I'm just gonna here. Or maybe at the heart. You don't have the heart. She looks like a node. She needs something else. I know he needs a friend. He needs a friend. Oh, I need to go him. He has a friend. I might pencil in some like little skulls and lines and stuff later on because the ones I want to use are like this too big. Let's do a little. Anything here? I do like that. Maybe a little screen goes somewhere. Oh my hands. House. Fire? I'll go upstairs. I'll draw this fire on here. You're gonna get it anyway. Using all these little threads and spiders and dragons and souls, pumpkins and stuff. You know, dragons and pumpkins. You know, yeah, so they're ready to draw. And remember what this thing is? It's gonna move and have to draw. Actually, I might just think we'll see. Very much my friend. Think of that. And voila! I'm gonna let this dry a little bit. And then I'll move on to the next one, which is I'll have to clean all this stuff up. Hopefully do my stuff. So thank you for joining me on the Painful Budgeter. I hope you like this little spread. It's simple and cute. And like I said, I made these a little bit too big. If you go on Canva, make sure you double check your size and measure some of these things so it's not, you don't like have so huge. They work. You just have to do less, and then probably just end up drawing some if you're the artistic kind. Kind of make some points and stuff like that, and maybe draw some spider webs and stuff in the corners, kind of thing. I need to make sure I have it back in screen by doing that. So thank you again. I hope you have a wonderful weekend and a wonderful Halloween this week. It's a safe one. Make sure you keep your kids safe and close, and cheers. If you like the happy planner stuff, go and check out some of these, and we'll see you next time. I usually have them come out every Monday, so I'm going to try to get them out to come out every Monday. I will talk to you next time. I love you all. Bye.